What's up, guys? Crypto Clay here, and today's video is going to be one that I'm not very happy to make because I'm going to be discussing some people that I thought were good people, but unfortunately, they're not as good as I initially had hoped. And the reason that I say that is because when you submit your viewers on YouTube, if I were to do this to my viewership, it would be just as bad, even though my viewership is a lot smaller. But whenever you have a huge following on YouTube, on Twitter, on whatever, and you do this, you submit your viewers to this kind of brutal attack, and they don't even know about it, it's kind of bullshit, guys, and I don't really have any other way of describing it. You should never do this to the people that are giving you views. You just shouldn't. I made the mistake in 2017 of investing in something that turned out to be a lot less legit than I thought it was, and I made a video about it. I had to remove that video, and any affiliate marketing that I attached to that video because I was so ashamed of what I had done, and I had to go on and apologize for said event on YouTube to my viewers because, again, I was very ashamed of it. You know, back then, we didn't really know all that we know today. It wasn't anything like BitConnect or anything like that, but still, some of these projects can make people lose a lot of money. And the thing that I want to talk about today is affiliate marketing on leverage exchanges. The thing is, guys, most people, most traders in the real world outside of crypto completely exclude crypto. Just markets in general. Most people lose money on their trades. That's a fact of life. When you add in leverage to trading, it gets even harder. Because if you lose on that trade that you added leverage to, you lose so much more. And a lot of these crypto YouTubers are using exchanges that allow you 100x leverage. That is complete horseshit. And anybody that posts links to these exchanges for their massive viewer base, they are preying on you. Do not get caught up in these flashy YouTube videos that claim that you can make X amount of money. That is not how it works, and most of you will lose your entire life savings because you get a little feel for it and you're like, oh my god, I placed this one small trade and made all of this money. Let me place all of my money in this. The thing is by trading in cryptocurrencies, you're already making a gamble. Cryptocurrencies are a highly speculative market. And you might say, Clay, look at the price of Bitcoin. It's not speculative. This thing is here to stay. And yeah, I might agree with that, but at the same time, I'm a crypto trader. Okay? You can't ask other people of the same variety to make an assumption, okay? You've got to talk to other people in other markets to see how they feel about the sentiment behind your market that you trade in. So, with all of that being said, scammers, YouTubers that were scamming back in 2017 are still doing the same thing to this day. You look up people like Trevon James, he's currently involved in another scam, like some sort of elephant money or whatever. Stay away from that stuff, guys. Stay away from that entirely. But I'm talking about bigger YouTubers like CryptoLark. I just saw him post a link to Femex yesterday on his Twitter. Do not click on those links, guys. Do not get involved in leverage trading unless you are a very experienced trader and have profits that you can back up those trades with. And if you are going to get involved in leverage trading, then make sure that you don't put in more than you're willing to lose. I hate that I have to say that, but some people will literally put their entire life savings into something and lose it all. And that would be really unfortunate to see. And when I talk about affiliate marketing, I'm not talking about things like posting a link to Coinbase or, a hardware wallet or things like that people actually need to get involved in crypto. You need some sort of exchange that you can use to buy into initially, and then maybe you can move that over to an exchange that offers more altcoins and those pairs. The thing is, guys, you don't need to get involved with leverage trading to make money in the cryptocurrency market. I have never really used leverage to trade, and I've been very successful. So please stay away from things like that. Stay away from these big YouTubers that want to sell you their shit coins that will go nowhere, but as soon as they post these videos, the price goes way up and then they sell on you. Stay away from those types of YouTubers as well. Please do your own research on all of these projects that these YouTubers make, because at the end of the day, it's your money that you're putting into the market, not theirs. So, thanks for watching, guys. I really hope that this helps some of you out there not get scammed by some of these people. And stay safe, stay frosty. That's it for today, guys. Crypto Clay out.